Hi there, my name is Alexander. First of all, I want to thank you for your support. Second, I uploaded a video a while ago on Venom and I've noticed that the views are blowing up. So I decided to make a drawing video on this amazing character. So let's draw
Venom.
So here we go, guys. I made a sketch for Venom. Here it is. Yeah, it took me a while to draw the body and the head. I'll make him like that. I'm going to fill it with a basic color. Alright.
Piece of cake!
So guys, after I fill the body with a basic color, I'm going to add some shadows and light so I can feel more confident with the drawing. So I'm going to fill it right now.
Yes, sir.
And here we go, guys. I think we know some of the dark areas and light areas on the body. So I'm going to add more details on the hands. So his hands is really nervous and rolling so much. So I'm going to add it. Yeah.
I live to serve you!
After we finish the hands and the legs, I think I need to blend the body more and work and fix some parts on the body and work more on my drawing. So I'll check you after I've finished. And here we go, guys. We made a good progress on the drawing so far, and now I think I need to draw more the logo. I don't know. I designed this character on the old version of it. I really like the old version, not the movie version. So I think I need to add some details on the logo. So let's go.
No problem!
Now let's focus more on the face, the mouth, the teeth, and he's had a big mouth and big teeth, and the tongue. The tongue is a very important part in Venom, and of course the eyes. The eyes are special, amazing. So come on, we've got work to be done.
Yes, sir.
The eyes needs more shadow, So it's not blowing up, it's not lighting up. So it's going to have shadow in this dark side and some highlights on his eyes. So because his eyes are unique, you know, he's an alien.
Tell us what to do.
So I need to add some highlights and some details to the drawing so it can be more clear to view.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and now I think we made a good progress on the body. So
Amazing.
I'll focus more on the face features and so because it's need more details, you know. So I'm going to work on this face. So come on.
Tell us what to do.
Yeah, guys, because the Venom are so strong and muscular, I need to add some arteries on the arm and legs, so it feels more realistic. You know, the bodybuilding guys are having a lot of arteries around, showing you can see it outside his arm. Yeah, so I think Venom needs more to feel realistic on this. So so I'm going to add some. And here we go, guys. I think I finished 90% of the drawing. I just need to add some little details and work a little bit on the face and the body, and I already finished. So let's go. We are pretty close to finish.
Impressive.
And that's it, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Actually, it's my first time I show up in a video while drawing, so I don't know. Maybe I'll be better in future. And the question of this episode is, what is your favorite Marvel character? Tell me in the comments. I really know. Make sure to like my Facebook page and follow my Twitter and Instagram. It's all at AlxandrDraw. Yeah, thanks again for watching and subscribing. Until next time, cheers.